In this video, we will learn to calculate 6 times 3/4 using simple fractions and arithmetic. First, let's express the problem mathematically. We have 6 times 3/4, which can be written as 6 times the fraction 3/4. Now, we perform the multiplication. When multiplying a whole number with a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction and keep the denominator the same. The numerator becomes 6 times 3, which is 18, and we keep the denominator as 4. And our value becomes the fraction 18/4. The fraction 18/4 can be simplified by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, which is 2. That gives us the simplified fraction 9/2. Now, let's convert the fraction 9/2 to a decimal. We simply divide 9 by 2, which results in 4.5. So, when we calculate 6 times 3/4, we find that the result is 4.5, which can be indicated as the final box.